Good morning everyone, my name is Angelija. I am from 4th standard. I want to say about an important topic about my responsibility towards nature. Earth has 35% of land and 75% of water. Nature has living organisms and non-living things which depend upon each other like trees, plants, air, water, animals, etc. So, what are the types of uh, what are the types of elements which help Earth as a living planet? Air. Air makes humans, animals, and so on to live in Earth, as oxygen will only make it helpful for the plants, and the plants use carbon dioxide that we release and give oxygen and food for us. Water. 75% of Earth is water, and that water we use to drink, wash our hands, brush our teeth, and bath. Plants. Use plants to get the food and oxygen. Trees. Trees give us shade, wood for construction. So what is my responsibilities? Our responsibilities are do not waste water. While brushing my teeth, I turn off the tap while in use.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല പറഞ്ഞോ.
When I wash my car, I use buckets and cups rather than using hoses. Air. Do not pollute air. It may cost of harming us. Plants. Do not cut down trees. It may reduce the level of oxygen and greatly amount of carbon dioxide. Do not harm animals. They are that nature disposes. They are protectors of the nature, so do not harm them. Plastic bags. I will say no to plastic bags, and I will always carry a cloth bag. So I conclude that I will say to my family that follow with me into this adventure so we can stop polluting nature and help regrow nature to make greenery. Save Earth, save future. Thank you.